G'day guys, just a quick update here on the Celica project. We got a few things and pretty much all of the bodywork done. Just got a few things to just to tick it off on the body, and then she can go for paint. But other than that,
on zombie apocalypse.
yeah, you see we went and pulled out the dash, so that's good. And I've got all the cloth needed. I've got new cloth needed for the seats. Got all the foam, carpet's on the way, so that should be easy enough. And we'll go around to the boot. Ignore that. All these panels here, all these panels around here and all over there, they're all fixed, they're ready to go back in. I'm just waiting for the boot carpet to arrive, and hopefully that should be tomorrow. Other than that, she's a goer. And oh yeah, the electricals. Yeah, that's why one of the reasons why we pulled the dash out. We've got the dash pad, that's all repaired, that's ready to go back in. At the electricals here, yeah, I'm just waiting for my auto electrician friend to get 5 minutes to himself so he can come around and see if he can't fix all of this. And yeah, that's about it guys, just a quick update video for you. Car runs, drives, stops as it should. She's got a flat battery at the moment. Yeah, that's basically it. She's almost ready to go to the painters. I'm just waiting for a quote back from him. Okay, so I'll see you guys later, eh?